Recording. Ready. Let's go kill Sledgy now. Yeah. That's good. Volume. No, I didn't. Rar to you too. I didn't think they got rid of you.
Why did you kill her?
I'm not gonna answer you. We don't care about your laughing, man. Okay? By the way, people, I have played this before. I'm just reloading a reload thing. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Oh my god, it's a magic circle! It's a magic circle, Charlie! It's a magic circle, Charlie! Alrighty. In fact, that scene is probably way too bright for my camera. It's probably gonna look so stupid. Like this scene's probably, yeah, it's like way too bright for my camera. It's hilarious. Freak out! Freak out! Sorry. That'd be a lot better if that was a sword. Sorry for the skipping, my PS2 sucks. Is there anything on top of it? Yes. There's always something on top of my PS2. Okay. Da 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 da! Total Zelda / Kingdom Hearts moment. Right. Sledgy. Yes, his name is Sledgy. Ignore the hammer. He's all Sledgy. Alrighty. We're gonna fight him. Whoa! Watch my bow randomly appear from nowhere. This is how easy he is. And notice, I have no extra arrows, because I am awesome. Woohoo! Ready? Boom! One more! Hopefully this isn't going to take a year, because I'm tired of it already. Yay! Special arrow of doom that comes from the sky of nowhere. It's the special circle for the special ed kids, like Alyssa, who can't run with a crowd. Boom! That was epic, I think. Not really. Okay, that was epic. Oh my god! It's shiny! The sky turned green, and then it turned blue, and then it turned gray. That was boring. Alright. Do people want to go see May? We're gonna go see May. Just so you guys will be happy. By the way, I will post the name of this little piano sequence down at the bottom because I know so many people want to know the name and they don't know it. Honestly, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Fantasie-Impromptu or something like that, but I will post the title thing down at the bottom. And it's by Frédéric someone or another. But yeah.
May, your father is dead.
Well, that was blunt.
There was an explosion. A shell.
You're mean, Alyssa. You're mean.
Don't cry. I understand how you feel.
No, you don't.
I never even knew my father. I lost him soon after I was born, but I love my grandfather just the way you love your father.
Which is wrong.
Keep this watch as a memento of your father, and continue to practice the piano as hard as you can.
British spelling of
I
practice.
know that would make him happy.
Practice isn't spelled with an S at the end. Retarded pieces of crap.
May.
Daddy!
Thank you, May. Your beautiful playing has brought me back to you.
How's it now?
We can be together again. Thank you, Alyssa.
Really?
Thank you.
How do you know my name?
Thank you. Goodbye.
How do you know my name?
Goodbye, Mr. Norton. Goodbye.
Now, I know how I know your names, but I have no clue. How do you know my name? Really? I'd never said my name in front of you people. Really? That was dramatic. And now we're on my bed. Isn't that nice? Then it's going to ask me to save. So watch this. Watch. It's going to say, do you want to save? It's going to say it any second now. Just wait. It's going to fade off. Come on!
What's that?
Right now. No. Now. Yeah, okay. It's going to ask me to save and I'm going to say no. And in this video, I love you people. Bye.